आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question we have this alpha and beta are the root of equation. The equation we have is x square minus 2x plus 3. This is equal to 0. So we have to obtain the equation whose roots are given as this and this. So from here we have four options. This is option 1, option 2, 3 and 4 here. So first we will write this as we know that this alpha beta are root of equation. So this satisfies this equation. So we can write this as alpha square minus this will be 2 alpha plus 3. This is equal to 0. This is the one equation. And we have this is beta square minus 2 beta plus 3. This is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So from here we can write this as from first equation. We can simplify this. So therefore this alpha square we have this is 2 alpha minus 3. If we will multiply this with alpha both sides, so this will become alpha cube and this will be 2 alpha square minus 3 alpha. And from here we have this is the first root. First root is given as this, we can write p here. So this value will be alpha cube minus this is 3 alpha square, and we have this is plus 5 alpha minus of 2. So we can put this alpha cube here. So this value will be equal to 2 alpha square minus this will be 3 alpha, and we have this is minus 3 alpha square plus of this 5 alpha minus 2. So from here we can simplify this. So this will become, we have this is minus alpha square and this will be plus 2 alpha and minus of 2 here. So from here we can add 1 and subtract 1 here. So this value will be minus 1 plus 1 here. So we can simplify this again. So this value is minus, we will take common. So therefore this will be alpha square minus 2 alpha and this will be plus 3, and we can write this as plus 1. And this we know that this is the 0. So we can write this as minus 0. Plus we have this 1, so therefore this p value is equal to 1 here. Now we have this is the root 1, and for the second root we have this is the q value. We can write beta cube minus beta square, and this is we have beta cube minus beta square plus beta we have, and this is the plus 5 here. So we have this is plus 5 here, and as we have this is beta square, this value we have is 2. We have this is 2 beta minus of 3. This value is 2 beta minus of 3. So now we will multiply this with beta. So this value will be beta cube, and this is we have 2 beta square minus of this will be 3 beta. So we can put this in the q. So now we have this q will be equal to, we have this is 2 beta square minus this will be 3 beta, and we have this is minus beta square plus this is beta and plus 5 here. So now we will simplify this. So this value will be equal to beta square, and we have this is minus of 2 beta and this is plus 5. So we can write this as, this value will be beta square minus 2 beta plus 3, and this will be plus of 2 here. So from here we know that this value is given as 0 here. So this is 0 plus 2. So this q value will be equal to 2 here. So from here we have this first root is 1 here and the second root is q here. So we have both the roots now. So now we have both the roots. This p is 1 here and this q is 2 here. So we can get the quadratic equation. So this value will be x square minus of this will be p plus q ax, and we have this is plus this will be pq here. This value will be equal to 0. Now we can put this p and q here. So this value will be x square, and we have this is minus of this will be 2 and 1. So this will be 3x here plus this will be p into q. So this will be 2 here. So this is equal to 0 now. So we have the equation is, we have the equation x square, this will be minus of 3x plus 2. This is equal to 0. This is the required answer we have. So this is in the option, we have this in the option C here. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।